Today's date being 9th of March 2025, UGO247, General Gento, is here to prove to Biafrans that he's true son of the soil. And he's here to swear an oath so that you people will understand the reason why he's crying on social media.
Gento the Yahoo, I've come once again. Today's date being 9th of March 2025. Bayanko, Nobodan, Balibo, Biafra at large. I have come to kill myself over the allegation that was thrown by UGO247. UGO247. I want to make it openly to you today. And for Biafrans to understand that I can defend myself in all corners. I am pulling out my slippers today. This is it. And I want Biafrans to confirm it. Oburule Zoku Ezoku. Namu receive only 1 naira. Mo Gento the Yahoo receive only 1 naira. From Ngozi Orabueze since Yuku PM. With a problem on Onolaka Finnish government. And I'm a Kubioka Lobocheta. Mo Gento the Yahoo. And Okoland Wefala Biafra. Mana, I am assuring all of you, Ola Uli Lunuha, Wele Gwego Biafrans, Ye Bukula Unu Butego Biafrans, Una de Bukula Kunumen and Olohela Tafu. Let the Biafrans understand this, that Biafrans soldiers are suffering. The Biafran Liberation Armies are suffering. Owuru Datina, Onwe Ngozi Orabueze, whether Talamo Gento in this life. Asumumala Biafra. Elulala Nrolum. Igwekoha Nrolum. Mili na la Biafra Nrolum. Alamzo Doroko Nrolum. Lobochitata Bongo. The 9th of March 2025. UGO247. Ola unu ha wele bukpego Biafra. Unu ya nondo. Wepo Biafra. Manuna ama nondo. Weri ya noli me Biafra. And ana me to chill opo. Owo na me ego. Na lime Biafra na tafufu below here. Ane banye bubo na ina me kidnapper. When we are not doing any kidnapper. We are here suffering for Biafrans. And you people are all the whole the nations and for Biafran pocket for you people to use it to help men on ground. And you people are telling Biafra, making Biafra to understand that men on ground is okay, men on ground is doing well. Nothing! They are not giving us anything. Pardon. And Anna Makuchi or follow Botita. So time to Ekuya. Koya de Leka. Koga de Lodi. Koga de Lapo. Koga de Lampo. Ayala Bochelano. And when did you could get a Gotamola Lilua? Well, I may be a Fraselino, maybe a Fracuch, where Botita.